Hello guys, welcome to TS Tech Talks video. Today I'm going to give you guys tips on how to find friends on Facebook. Now most people don't know how to search for people or how to search for friends on Facebook, but this is actually one of the easy things to do on Facebook, but for some reason some people are finding it difficult locating somebody on Facebook. Now I'm going to show you guys how to do this. Just go ahead and open your Facebook application. So once you have your Facebook application, you can look at the top area where it has the Facebook logo. The next to it is a search button or a search icon. Then go ahead and click on that search icon. This search icon allows you to search for a person's name or a group or anything. So searching for a person's name, if you remember the name of the person, just go ahead and type it. For instance, um this name. So once you search, you can notice it shows different persons, and you can see their name by the name you've searched. So if you want to specify the particular, since we are searching for people, all you need to do is to select this icon that shows people right here. So it's going to specifically single out people's option for you. So it actually filters the particular group you're searching for. Now you can notice on this search we have this person. On the first person actually have 13 mutual friends, and you can see it listing most of the names for me, which means this is actually the person I'm looking for. And if you scroll down, you can see other details also. This is the only person that have 13 mutual friends. That means this person is actually connected to me. So and then I can just go ahead and send this person a friend request. And once I send him a friend request, he's going to see that and then either accept it, and then we're going to become friends. So that's how to search for people. And then since for some reason if you click on it again, it's going to deselect. So let's say we are actually searching for a post that is titled a car for savior. So let's go ahead and click on post option. So when you click on post, it's going to show you everything relating to the name which you've chosen. And when you scroll down, you're going to see more of it. Actually, once you click on see or post from this person, you're going to see a lot of posts from this particular person even before becoming friends with the person. So probably this is great, right? And then let me go ahead and deselect it for some reason, and then back out also. So if you're searching for a group, you can just go ahead and click on the group icon, and you can notice this is the related results. There are no actual group that's titled okay for trust, but instead they have suggestions. So it's showing you related search. So if not, you can just go ahead and click on one of them to see. Now you can see there is actually a group called favor offer. So for some reason somebody used a name to create a group, and you can see below it has 6 members, and they are actually specifying people living in Lagos, but I don't have any mutual friend from this group. That's the reason why it doesn't list any of them for me. So for some reason, let's go ahead and back out and deselect the group option. And if you're also looking for videos, we can still select video option, and you can see more option about the video. So it's going to show you every video relating to this person, or this person is being tagged to that particular video. So that's what it does. So apart from the video, you can also search for pages. Also, you can notice this is the pages area, so you can just click on it. And then if it doesn't have that name, the way Facebook does it, just give you a suggested page for that particular, so you can still select and then choose. So for some reason, let's just choose an appropriate search for the page. So let's say we are searching for Sky News, or instead we are searching for TS Tech, since I'm TS Tech. So you can see the page for TS Tech. It's showing at first, and you can just specify it. You can just be specific in your search by clicking on the page, and you can notice it has TS Tech and every other pages relating to TS Tech which are following, but the first one should be the one I have my mutual friend related to, which is actually showing already. And then if you're for some reason searching for other pages, instead of deselecting the page, you can just click on this icon right here on the search area to deselect, and then go ahead and say, probably we are searching for Sky News. Just type Sky News and hit enter. It's going to show you all related. Search for Sky News. Just go ahead and click on pages, and it's going to show you pages that are related to Sky News. You can see that. And then if you're searching for a group, you can just click on group and it will show you the same thing. So that's how to do this, guys. I actually took a lot of time explaining this video. I know most people would have already backed out already, so there is nothing much on this video. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for your time in watching the video. Please don't forget to subscribe. It actually helps me to grow, to know how I'm performing. So I would really appreciate it if you do subscribe to the channel. Please don't forget to subscribe. Just make sure you subscribe, and then share the video with your friends, and also ask your friends to subscribe to my channel. I would appreciate that. And leave your comment below if you're having any challenges on searching for anything on Facebook or looking for some other solution. Just let me know. If you request for a video, please leave it on a comment below. I will gladly make a video for you. Whatever it is, so far is tech related, please make sure you ask me, and I will gladly visit that and fix it for you. All right, see you guys soon. Thanks for watching.